Hello, my name is Rahul Kushwa from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today my topic is Ayurved shampoo. Introduction about the shampoo. Shampoo is the basic hair care product representing the large segment of hair care cosmetics. Shampoo is typically in the form of viscous liquid with some exception of waterless solid from such as bar. Shampoo was developed to replace the soap for cleaning the scalp and hair by removing unwanted sebums, dandruff, environmental dust, or residues of hair care products. Most of the dirt, including sebums and water, insoluble and cannot be effectively removed by water alone. Therefore, a shampoo containing a combination of surfactants is necessary. History about the shampoo. A shampoo as we know it today is only existed for about 100 years ago. Period to 1903, the act of hair washing ranged from a head massage with fragrant oils to boiling a piece of shaved soap bar in water. There are a range of earlier methods. However, let's focus on the past 100 years or so. Bar of soap were used to wash hair until in 1903 when Hans Skakfro invented a lavender powder soap. The shampoo used to be in a bar form and in powder form. That being said, they are much different than the bar, and because of the system we are using to wash in our hair today. Shampoo and soaps are different. Think about will you able to soap your hair properly or not. The first version of liquid shampoo still soap was invented in 1927 by Hans Corford. Since 1927, liquid has been the most common form factor as hair cleaning. It was not until in 1933 the Hans Quefford created a soap-free liquid. Shortly after 1934, Procter Gamble (PG) introduced the first synthetic detergent-based liquid. These developments were the most significant in the terms of what we know as modern-day liquid shampoo. Since then, innovation related to washing our hair has mainly dealt with the innovation of raw material, in ingredients, and packaging. The most recent change in the form of factor of shampoo was in 1987 with the PG release. The first conditioning and cleaning a shampoo, also known as the original 2-in-1 shampoo. Liquid shampoo has remained the norms almost 100 years ago. Today, the major industry players have innovated around a future-driven hair care. We know have a product that have been optimized to volumerize, the hydrate and moisturize. There are shampoo formulas that have been designed for thick, fine, curly, damage and control hair. In just the past couple of years, we have seen an innovation of hair care from startup beauty thick brand which are hair quiz to customize individual products. Competitor. We have the various competitors in the market such as Mama Earth, Onion Shampoo, Lotus, Wow, Dove, Handroff, Clinic Plus, etc. The major key factors of the competitor shampoos are this report also research and evaluate the impacts of COVID-19 outbreak on the shampoo industry, involving the potential opportunity and challenge drives and risks. We present the impact assessment of COVID-19 effects on shampoo and market growth forecast based on different scenarios. Optimistic, pessimistic, very optimistic, most likely, etc. The shampoo market report provides a detailed analysis of global market size, regional and country level market size, segmentation, market growth and market share, competitive landscape, sales analysis, impact of domestic and global market player, value chain optimization and trade regulation, recent development opportunity analysis, strategic market growth analysis. Product launches area marketplace expanding a technology innovation. Shampoo market is split by the type of application. By the period of 2015 and 2025, the growth among a segment provides a accurate calculation of forecast of the different types of application in the terms of volume and value. This analysis can help you to expand your business by targeting a qualified niche market. Shampoo competitive landscape provides a details by vendor including a company overview, company total revenue, market potential, global presence, shampoo sales and revenue generated, market share, price, production sites and facilities, SWOT analysis and product launch. For the period of 15-20, this study provides the shampoo sales, revenue and market share for each player covered in this report. Among the other players of domestic market, the shampoo market share data is available for global North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East and East Africa, South of America separately. Global info and research analysis understand a competitive strength and provide a competitive analysis of each competitor separately. Market segmentation. The market segmentation of a shampoo is a part of a personal care for hair. Shampoo is applied to clean this extra oil, skin particles such as dandruff and dirt, among others. The shampoo market is segmented on the basis of types of hair, utilities such as oily hair, dandruff cleaner, shampoo for colored hair fall control, and shampoo plus conditioner. The global demand of shampoo is necessary increasing due to increasing issues with hair and increasing environmental pollution. The consumer preference for shampoo varies according to their demand based on prevent environmental conditions along with their individual hair type. The increase in disposable income is driven the consumer to buy and to experiment with new shampoo products introduced by the producers. Latest fashion trends such as coloring of hair and hide grey hair has created a new segment for shampoos, especially for a color hair. Prevent from losing color with wash. The market for a personal care is dependent on consumer behaviors. The consumer demand for the product of their requirement is the major area of all focus of for all companies. Specify associated with a variety of shampoos produced by all the companies key driver to increase the product demand. Marketing strategy plays a second major role to drive a market by providing different types by man and woman requirements. The preference of nature-based product is popular as the chemical associated shampoos are preferred less than the natural ones in various countries. The growth rate of consumption of shampoo is emerging in nations, especially in Asia Pacific, is more than any other geographies globally. The most pro-offer distribution channels are supermarket, hypermarket, department stores, and convenience stores. My brand name of shampoo is Ayurved shampoo. I would like to introduce about my brand, Ayurvedic shampoo. One of our hair is one of the prime assets that we learn to nature and grow from a very young age. We groom it, maintain it, and care about its health. It soars like a mother-daughter relationship. Now you will agree, naturally is a one-way street to health and its beauty. Luckily, there is no coming back. Therefore, Ayurveda shampoos are your best chance at keeping your hair happy and its roots healthy. Use the best Ayurvedic hair shampoo by just wait and also see a difference in no time. Natural cleanser of hair at the bare minimum present hair falls and save your hair from future damage caused by body defenses. Exterior hairness, pollution, styling, product, etc. Ayurveda shampoo, the no second thoughts put up its game. Object to nourish and protect your hair. Just hibiscus oil assures a rapid recovery. Profoundly nourishes hair roots and promotes a hair healthy to fight the free radical in the air that harm your airborne repair. It's one of the best Ayurvedic man and woman shampoos by dry hair. Features of Ayurvedic shampoo. The Ayurvedic shampoo helps to enhance the shine and bounce of hair, boost the formation of new roots, finds a dandruff, reduce a hair fall, plays a vital role in treating split ends. Most importantly, Ayurvedic shampoo will not disturb your natural pH balance. Root nourishing shampoo. Our ignorant habits of ruthless brushing or using a stealing product on our cause every day severe damage in our day-to-day life. Without tending a moisturizing and nourishing our scalp, our hair is incapable of realizing a full potential. Hair fall control. We created a hair fall control combo, just herbs or hair fall control combo. It contains 8-in-1 root nourishing amla neem shampoo. One of the biggest resources for a dry looking and the lustrous hair is the lack of moisture. Just herbs, silky strength, aloe vera, wheat green moisturizing shampoo is formulated with the wheat green, aloe vera, and other essential oil, etc., which is bound to look after your stress. Aloe vera contains a proteolytic enzymes designed to repair a dead skin on the scalp. Dandruff control shampoo. Dandruff control shampoo can, in some situations, be challenging to a treat. In a non-serious condition that cause itchy scalp and the skin on the scalp to flake. Just because of dandruff cover, Ayurvedic soya protein shampoo is a mild infusion of soya protein, wheat green, and other precious herbs such as methi and neem hibiscus. Lichen work together to control the dandruff buildup. Strength your hair. Give your time to lush your luster. This Ayurveda shampoo online at your disposal to create a opinion. Condition your hair is also suitable for color treated area. A solution to your dandruff problem. So if you are looking for a good herbal shampoo for dry hair, that it is removes the redness. Redness can occur those who most frequently use the variety of harsh and chemical oriented product on the hair. In this case, people with a sensitive skin can easily get inflammable skin, which eventually lead to many other hair related others. The regular use of mild and high quality of product can give you a better result in every way. The comparison between Ayurvedic shampoo and other shampoo. The Ayurvedic shampoo is pure and organic ingredient free and from other side effects, no surfactants, no synthetic additives, no animal testing, earth and skin friendly, no petroleum based ingredients. Other shampoo. Other shampoo can be damaged to your hair if misused. It dries your hair and scalp, can use a hair loss, costly. It dries your health and scalp and cause a dandruff. Ayurvedic shampoo ingredients are Shaki Retha Snopes, Indian gooseberry, hibiscus, oily base, neem, green, water scopes, flinger, and rose. These all the ingredients are included in my brand of Ayurvedic shampoo. I will like to conclude my Ayurvedic shampoo. If someone uses shampoo that contains a ingredient that it may make their hair strong or weaker, the hypothesis was not supported because the results were very similar and there was not a huge difference. The improve the by using the improve by using the Ayurvedic shampoo, the shampoo should have soaked the hair for a longer period of time. It should be able to remove excess water and the hair should have been young to dry rather than laying it flat. Thank you.